Local air compressor dealers. Does buying direct improve the business? Or only remove one name from the invoice? The useful answer is not a promised margin. It is better control over three things that can protect the operating result: product fit, technical decisions, and the cost of supporting the installed machine. First, a direct factory conversation can shorten the path between a customer's application and a configuration decision. That matters when voltage, pressure, airflow, duty pattern, air treatment, or installation conditions are still unclear. Fewer handoffs may reduce misunderstanding. This only works when the dealer provides complete site information and the factory confirms the model limits. A lower purchase figure cannot repair a wrong configuration. Second, the dealer can discuss a product mix around real local demand. The official catalog includes screw, oil-free, piston, mobile, air-end, and spare parts families. That breadth is useful when it helps qualify different customer groups. It is not a reason to fill a warehouse. Start with the industries you already reach, the applications you can explain, and the machines your team can support. Validate demand before deciding the first stock. Third, support costs become visible earlier. Before quoting the end customer, clarify which documents can be checked, how remote technical questions will be handled, what routine spare parts should be discussed, and where the dealer's responsibility begins. Warranty details, delivery dates, local service arrangements, and commercial terms must still be confirmed case by case. Now calculate the real operating result. The gap between the buying price and the selling price is only the starting point. Subtract freight, financing, and inventory time, customer acquisition, configuration, mistakes, warranty exposure, after-sales labor, and the spare parts commitment. Then ask whether faster clarification, a better matched range, and a clearer service boundary improve that number. That is the value test for a local dealer. If you sell or service industrial equipment and want to discuss cooperation, send your country, business type, industry, experience, current brands or products, target customers, and service capability. Use the contacts in the video description.